everyone, we meet again at English lesson. In this meeting, we're gonna talk about numbers. But before we start our lesson, let's recite Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, good. Now, please take your student's book and take also your pencil and let's say it together. Alright, we are in our class now. Okay, before we go to the new materials, let's review the numbers from 1 until 20. Let's count it together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, everyone. Okay, now I will give you the new numbers. Okay, what number is it? Okay, means how to read that numbers. The first one, you must read this one first. And after that, you will read from this one. For example, this one is 50, right? This one is 7. 57. Great. How about this one? What number is it? This is 48. So we must read this first and after that this one. Can you get it, everyone? Okay, now I want you to open your student's book, page 6. We will sing the new song. Are you excited, everyone? Let's sing the new song together. Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's sing this song together.
Student's Book, page 6. 1. Listen and sing. It's good to see you all again. Welcome back. Enjoy your English class again. Welcome back. 10, 20, 30, snap. 40, 50, 60, tap. 70, 80, 90, slap. It's good to see you all again. 11, 22, 33, snap. 44, 55, 66, tap. 77, 88, 99, slap. And now, 100, clap, clap, clap. It's good to see you all again. Welcome back. Enjoy your English class again. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Alright, you did very great in here. Now, can we do a little game after we sing our song together? Now, I want you to choose 9 numbers from the song. Make a bingo card and play the game. Do you know bingo card? Alright, I will give you an example for bingo card. Okay, everyone, now in here I would like to explain you how to make a bingo. Now, please make a 10 box like I made in here and put any numbers that you want inside your box, inside your table. And after that, you will hear the song that we already listened together before. For example, in here I have 9 numbers. And after that, while you listen to the song, you will mark every numbers that say on the song. For example,
20, 30, now.
alright, before the song say our number, my number, the song say about 10. Alright, now we will put the circle in every numbers that the song say. Alright, are you understand? Before the song say 10, 20, 30, snap. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. And it's so on with another numbers. Alright, after you mark all of the numbers that say in that song, for example, it can be like this. So you can put the line between those numbers. Like this. Great. Alright, you make a bingo now. Good job. Okay, everyone, before you already made your bingo, right? It's easy. Now you can open your workbook, page 6 also, and let's do it this part together. Are you ready, guys? Let's do it together.
Workbook, page 6. 1. Listen and write the numbers.
1,
There are 40 spiders.
2,
There are 38 frogs.
3,
There are 27 rats.
4,
There are 100 caterpillars.
5,
There are 91 butterflies.
Okay. Before the speaker say how many frog? 38. So you write it in your workbook. And how about number 3? How many rat? 27. And how about number 4? There are 100 caterpillars. Great. And how about butterfly? The speakers say 91. Marvelous! Good job, everyone! Now you can go to this one. Look and match. Please match every numbers with the words. You can make a line between the numbers and the word. Alright, maybe you can read the numbers in here. 83. What is 83? Alright, fine, 83. Great job! You find it. And how about 20? Good. And so on with another number. If you have hard time to do it, we can do it together in our practice time. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining with me and you want to sing with me. We will sing this song together on Monday. Don't miss it, okay? Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye. Have a birthday, everyone.